Small room, large room, tall ceiling, wherever you need to put a ceiling fan. We're going to show you how simple it is to install right over here. And we're going to show you and demonstrate the product. So if you're shopping for a ceiling fan, this may be the fan you are interested in. So what we're going to do is unbox the fan for you and show you what it looks like and how it comes presented. You have the instruction guide by the company, information provided, and the fan is packaged very well. We have everything laid out on the table. You have a parts list to go over, all the material, as you can see here. You have your hardware, your bracket, your cosmetics covers, your gimbal and shaft, your LED light fixture, your motor, your 3 blades, transmitter and receiver. The remote control, this is what it looks like. We're going to get this out of the way, find a spot for it, and hang it up. Once your bracket is installed, the next step is to work on the fan. We have the bolts, we have the motor. What we're going to do is place the motor over here. We're going to take the blades. We want to make sure this part faces the floor and this part faces the ceiling. So what we're going to do is match up each of the holes. We're going to lock down the bolts. And repeat for the other 2 blades. Once it's on there, then you could tighten down each of the bolts of the blade. The next step is to take off the bolts for the lights that are on top. Take the cover, slide the module. You're going to connect the module. You have a pin. Make sure they connect correctly. Snap together. Put the screws on. The cover is made of plastic, easy to clean. Place this on later, so this way we can take the light, turn it around, and work on it comfortably. You have a small gimbal and pole, a large pole that you could transfer the gimbal to the long pole. Decide which height you like. We're going to take out the bolts, and we're going to work on the long gimbal. On the pole, you're looking for the one that has a hole on top. You're not going to put this on just yet. You're going to put on your wiring first. Straighten out your leads. Slide through. Place down into the hole. Loosen up these 2 screws. With the Kotler bolt and pin, place in the hole. Push through. Take the pin. Lock down and lock the bolt screws down. With the cover, cosmetic covered to the motor, slide your leads through, place down. The magnetic cosmetic screw cover, place through. And with the top cover of the bracket, place on. Take the gimbal, slide through correctly. Take the bolt, slide through. Lift up and match the hole on the opposite side. And place the bolt on and lock both bolts down. On top, you hook up your leads to the power, and on the bottom, you simply connect blue and white together, red, white, and black together. Connect your ground, black, and neutral to your top. With the help of a friend, or simply lift up with the wires away from the gimbal on and rotate till you hear a click. It drops into place. Hook up your leads. Your cover is the last to go on, easy to twist on and take off and clean. Turn your AC on, the light goes on. Adjust your fan so it's leveled. Clockwise is summer, counterclockwise is winter. Supply your own AAA batteries to the remote control. You have 6 speeds, light on, fan off. Timers, forward, reverse. Shutting off the light, turning on the light, shutting off the light, turning on changes to the different kelvins. Choosing the speed, number 3, clockwise. We have a 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour timer and an audible mute for the beeps. So as we set the timer to 1, you don't hear the beep. Press on the mute, you hear the beep, and you hear the time. To shut everything off, just hit the all off. Everything shuts down. If you want to turn the fan on, hit the center button. Hit speed number 3. The light is off. To turn the light on, separately hit the light button. To reverse the fan for winter, hit the reverse. The fan's going to slow down. Should do a smart check and go in reverse. This is a DC motor, indoor-outdoor ceiling fan, 42-inch blade, quiet. 6 speeds. This is speed number 6. It cools off during the summer. It keeps the warm air circulating during the winter. If you're looking for a plastic blade, metal, black with 3 LED light ceiling fan, this product may be right for you. With the lights in the off position, you get to see the brightness. Holding down the button will give a double beep. Holding the button down again will not increase or decrease the light. It is an LED light system, on and off. The ceiling fan. If you are looking for different makes and models from the company, check further online for details. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a ceiling fan. Thank you for viewing.